I did it. The firmware is updated for the Mavic 3 Cine. Fully updated. Yay! So I'm gonna take Apollo out for a quick flight. All right, we are ready to fly. Oh, it's so beautiful. It says on here, remote controller firmware installed.
Oh, that's nice.
Have you ever heard of such beautiful words?
That is a beautiful thing.
We're off. And I'm going to go up to... That went pretty quick. I'm going up to about 45 feet. I'm going to let it sit there for a bit because I wanted to locate the area where it's supposed to land. I'm going to yaw just a little bit. And yes, this is the appropriate way to yaw.
You lean.
You lean into the yaw. People, lean into the yaw. My version of flying is swooping, kind of dramatic.
Yeah.
Look, and I'm telling you, that was from day one, flight one. That was my type of... That's my jam.
Awesome. And you need to get that hawk. He's just swooped around.
Ah, I see him.
Hey, I got to tell you, folks, you know what I'm looking at right now? I'm looking at a very happy woman. She is loving her drone right now, man.
This is months in the making, my friends. Months in the making.
One of the things that I think you'll find interesting about the Mavic 3 is how extraordinary the obstacle avoidance is.
Oh, yeah.
And how it'll move around objects. I mean, just try and fly into one of our cars or into us or something.
Okay, come on. You can come after me now. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You ain't going to go after me.
And it goes around the other side.
All right, you want to do a fun thing? The end clip is going to be a real cool 5-second orbit of you.
I'll tell you what's fun for me is you cannot wipe the grin off of Tania's face.
That's a goofball grin, but this makes up for all the months of just stress and what am I going to do? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Do return to home.
See, it only went as high as it needed to go.
Oh, that's perfect. I prefer that. Woo.
And it is windy, folks.
Where are we going? We're gonna.
Yeah, it's not going to hit the pad.
I just stopped it. And okay, we're gonna go this way. Come on. I need to get behind you. Careful. Come on. Woo! Ah! There goes your hat.
I'll get it.
Okay, let's see where we are.
You focus on landing.
Yeah, we're good.
I'll grab the hat.
Come on.
Perfect landing. Perfect landing.
Beautiful, beautiful day. Whew. Oh, feels good to be out. Back in the air. Oh my gosh, success. This was a wonderful, wonderful morning to go flying, or afternoon to go flying. I'm just so happy to have, the Mavic 3 fully operational now. And now that I've figured out actually how to update the firmware without barging into the DJI headquarters and saying, fix this. I'm really happy. And now it's fully capable. It's an amazing, amazing drone. Whew. All right. We live to fly another day. And I will see you later on Tania Gail Adventures.
Fun flying with you, Tania.